Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
Hey, I'm James Spann. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday the 10th. Things are nice and quiet today. They're going to stay quiet for a while. And it's cold, but just hang on. We're going to turn much warmer coming up in the days ahead. Let's look out the window, the Skycam shots. A cold, bright, sunny afternoon coming from Cullman. The sun breaking through there pretty early in the day. There's the Hamilton Skycam, and still some snow there, but again, that snow is really fading fast with that sun shining brightly. At one point, a pretty good chunk of Marion County had 3 inches of snow on the ground. Now, down in Tuscaloosa, clouds are hanging tough. The sun is beginning to break through about 2 o'clock, and again, we'll see everybody in sunshine before the sun goes down today. Water vapor satellite shot. The disturbance that brought the snow last night, long gone. The upper flow is going to be relaxing and de-amplifying, and that means a warming trend after tonight. But, man, it's cold. Come on now. These are 1 o'clock temperatures, and by golly, they're colder than forecast. Birmingham's sitting at 28, but the clouds have lingered a lot longer than we thought. We thought we'd be in sunshine by mid-morning. And there's the deal. You can see clouds are hanging tough, and this is the satellite view at 1:15 this afternoon. Still cloudy from near Tuscaloosa and Birmingham south, but to the north, it's sunny. I'm telling you, it's one of the most challenging elements of sometimes forecasting the weather here. It's the clearing after the passage of a mid-latitude cyclone. And it is always somewhat of a challenge at times. But again, the clouds are eroding very rapidly, and most everybody should be in sunshine pretty soon. Around the nation, awfully hard to find any warm weather. Well, look at Miami. They're down there in the 80s, it looks like. But other than that, pretty chilly. In fact, up north, you got some folks that are still sitting at 0 over North Dakota and Minnesota. But it's going to be exciting to watch the big warm-up in coming days. Out in Texas, some folks out there could be approaching 80 by early next week. What a turnaround. And yeah, we're going quiet. Oh, that's nice. The QPF chart. Rain for the next 5 days. Nothing here, not a drop. This is valid through Tuesday morning at 6 o'clock. And accordingly, the watch warning map just nice and quiet. Check the 12Z GFS. This is valid at noon tomorrow at 500 millibars. You can see still a little ridge in the west, a trough in the east, but things are starting to relax. And down below that, it's going to be a sunny day and a chilly day. We'll expect a high in the upper 40s in most spots tomorrow. But again, considering the snow cover to the north, maybe mid-40s, whatever. We're going to move in the right direction. Then Saturday, starting off the weekend, looks good. Sunny. The GFS is now showing mid-50s at 55. And Sunday, how about the big 6-0 for a change? Wonderful day. Monday of next week, again, we'll be up there in the 60s. Tuesday, looks great. Wednesday, hey, guess what the GFS is spitting out for Wednesday's high? 67. Mercy me. Thursday of next week is showing 68. Maybe a little moisture with a dying surface boundary and maybe a shower somewhere. I'd say rain's pretty unlikely, and the same thing on Friday. There could be a shower or two around, but nothing especially widespread, and certainly no snow or ice with highs well up in the 60s. We'll check the end of the forecast. We'll just go way out there to the 26th. Look at the warm ridge over the Gulf, upper high. Then a big cold trough. Where? Out west. Yeah, they'll have the wild action out there and around here. Again, some evidence of a weak surface front. But really, the next 15 days, we don't see any major storm system, nor do we see any big cold air outbreak after we start to warm up. So that's a reason we're still saying the latter half of February should be a lot milder than the first 10 days here for sure. And there's the North Atlantic Oscillation down there at the bottom. It's been positive pretty much all month long, stays positive, although it trends neutral at the end of the month. And understand it can get cold when it's positive, like right now, for example. It's just harder to do, and you're not going to get these, record-breaking air masses in here, thank goodness. But, again, it's trending neutral toward the end of the month, and we will have cold snaps, I'm telling you, in March and April. We always do. And we can have snow into April. But, again, I just have to wonder, If maybe the worst of the winter is behind us. We'll see. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here, tomorrow morning at 7. Don't forget Storm Alert 2011. The annual Severe Weather Awareness Tour across the state begins tonight at McAdory High School in McCalla. We hope to see you there. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.